Hi guys, hello and welcome back to stream again. So how you are doing? Today we are going to see about Earth's magnetic field is weakening. See, some of the European scientists have found that in some parts of Earth, the magnetic field of Earth is decreasing. So before entering into a video, let me give a short intro about what's Earth's magnetic field. See, Earth has two poles, North Pole and South Pole. In each pole, a magnetic radiation is there, which coincides with each other. That forms the magnetic field of Earth. Fine, based with the help of this magnetic field, we are using the compass in our ships and we are traveling in the sea. Fine, so this is about a short intro about magnetic field. The what's the purpose of this magnetic field is mainly from sun there will be a wind which is called the solar winds. As you see in the screen, the yellowish colored thing which is called the solar winds, and the blue color one is the Earth's magnetic field. So the main purpose of the Earth's magnetic field is to prevent the solar winds to enter into Earth's atmosphere. So if there is no magnetic field, then the solar winds will take away all the atmospheric oxygen and all the atmospheric gases away from the Earth's atmosphere. So that much amount of energy that the solar winds possess. So as you see in video right now, the coronal mass ejection, which is simply called the solar winds, will get through into the earth towards the earth, and the magnetic field is protecting it. Fine, so if there is no magnetic field, means like Mars, Earth will also become without water. So in Mars there is no magnetic field. Because of this, all the gases that were present in the past of the Mars now had been taken away from the Mars because of the solar winds. So if there is no magnetic field in Earth, Earth will also experience the same kind of scenario. So this magnetic field is right now decreasing between the parts of Africa and South America. So if you see in the video, the circled part is the area where this magnetic field started decreasing. So none of the scientists don't know why this is happening and why the magnetic field is decreasing, but some argue that there is a phenomenon called pole reversal. So that had started initiating. This is the initiation of pole reversal, like that some scientists are saying. See, the pole reversal is a mechanism where the magnetic south will shift to the magnetic north, and the magnetic north shift to the magnetic south's position. So there will be a reversal of the magnetic places. Fine, so this magnetic reversal will takes place in a very gradual manner. So when there is a magnetic reversal, the North Pole and South Pole will mingle each other, like you are seeing in the screen. Like during the reversal, there will be a total collapse of the North Pole and South Pole. Fine, so once this reversal is happening, most of our electronics item will get affected. Why? Because most of our electronics item will respond to the magnetic field, because they are indirectly connected to the magnetic field of our Earth. Like if you take electrons, all the electronics item have been made in consideration with the magnetic field of the Earth. So like the electron flow, everything else. So if the magnetic reversal is changing, so the electron flow will get disturbed, and all our electronics item will be in a great stress of managing this magnetic flux. So there will be a great issue if this magnetic reversal once started up. So we will end up in losing lot more technologies and like that. Fine, so this is a big problem if it happens. Fine, so this is what all this video about, but none of the scientists still know why the magnetic field is depreciating and what will be the effect. Fine, so some scientist assumes that this will be a magnetic pole reversal. So that is all you need to know about this news. So that's it, and like this video, hit a thumbs button, and also tell us in the comment section if you lose your electronics item, which electronics item you will feel so bad of losing? In the comment section if this magnetic flux happens. And I think you will already subscribe to the channel, and also click on the bell icon so that you won't lose any of our videos. So until then, it's signing off. Stream, take care.